Here's an El Camino build that I did on a budget that turned out pretty awesome. Coming up. Alright, I'm about to floor this bitch with the AC on, mashing it all the way to the floor. Oh man, here we go. Watch the fuck out. You're going too fast. It's about to switch gears. I think I might burn out. Oh, slow, man. Oh, I gotta let off the gas. I'm going too fast.
running pretty good. Got the new exhaust on it. Adjusted one side of the valves a little bit. Really quiet up front. Got a nice mellow tone at the back. It's got a little bit of a lump in gear. Been sitting here idling for a moment. So 190, almost 200, not bad. Got dual 2.5-inch exhaust. Got an X-pipe down there. Helps cut out some of the drone. There it is. Now I just need to fix my shroud situation and it'll be all set. Oh, we listen to the low. Okay. It's not a whole lot of a low, but listen to the burnout. Ooh, smells like burnt rubber. Barely even got the 2,000 RPMs. There we go, big dog. It's all finished. A couple coats of clear on top of it too. You can see it's got a little bit of a shine to it, and it's all painted up. And I'm gonna leave the bottom masking stuff on until I get it in the car. And then I even installed my quart converter, put a quart in it, and this bad boy is ready to go. Yield to the motherfucking yell. First impression is you can tell it's got some stall, and those gears, I had to put that B&M shift kit in it because I didn't have the gaskets, those valve body gaskets, and gears don't seem to whine or anything like that, so that's good. I saw a little leak in one of the trans-cooler lines. Transmission doesn't look like it's leaking. Need to get new valve cover bolt. That bolt hole's leaking like a mofo. And other than that, I need to put my rear view mirror on, fix my door handle, top off the transmission, get some new tires. It's good to go, big dog, good to go. Let's see what it can do. Let's give it a little bit of a test run here. So here's the first little update. I just took it all the way to Katy. You like that? Like how that gauge wasn't the right size, so it sticks out. Driving around, we put 50 miles on it today, and I swear, man, it stays at 170 or 160, 170. The hottest it got today was 180, and that was man, this thing with these 373 gears at 3,000 RPM. I'm doing like 60 miles an hour. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but I'm gonna hold on to these gears for now, and I don't know, if I don't like them, I might go to 355 or something. But it's got some haul ass to it. We'll see here once I get the 500 miles on it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Be sure to check out some of our other videos, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. I have a little build that I'm working on that involves putting a turbo onto my daily driver. So if you want to check that out, be sure to follow along as I install turbo on my daily driver. Never done something like that before, so it'll be quite interesting. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.